When you look at the Denza B5, it might seem like another stylish plug-in hybrid sport utility vehicle, but its real story is written in the crash lab. In the latest ANCAP testing, this large plug-in hybrid sport utility vehicle showed that it is built with families and real-world safety in mind. Beneath the clean design, you have a 5-door body, a 1.5-liter petrol plug-in hybrid powertrain, and a cabin packed with airbags, including dual frontal, side chest, side head, and a center airbag between the front seats to help in serious side impacts. In frontal and side crashes, the passenger cell stayed stable and the Denza B5 delivered strong results. Adult occupant protection reached 86%, with especially good scores in side impact and whiplash tests. For parents, the headline is Child Occupant Protection at 95%. ISOFIX points and top tethers are fitted across the second row, and ANCAP found that most popular child seats and boosters could be installed without drama. There is even a direct child presence detection system that can warn the driver and automatically run the air conditioning if a child might have been left inside. Outside the vehicle, the Denza B5 also looks after people you may never meet. Vulnerable road user protection came in at 74%, supported by a full suite of autonomous emergency braking that can react to cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, plus backover protection when reversing. Safety Assist scored 78%, helped by Lane Keep Assist, emergency lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, intelligent speed assistance, and direct driver monitoring.